Control panel, digital display of temperature and time. Pneumatic drive, pressure up to 8 kilograms per square centimeter, heating plate can be opened automatically. Special processing heating plate, the special technical treatment of heating plate, to promote better transfer printing effect. The unique pull-out drawer bottom base, allows for easier placement of garment and keeping you away from heat. With smooth atomic steel, easy to push the bottom plate, durable. You can adjust pressure via the spiral pressure device. Anti-pressure hand safety design. Aluminum bottom platen, service time is much longer than iron platen. Operation demo. Connect the air pipe to raise the heating plate. Turn on machine. Press set to set temperature. Press up or down to set it. Press set again to set time. Press up or down to set it. Press set one more time to lock temperature and time. Print quantity, when pressing 3 seconds. Auto mode. Manual mode. Stop button, if emergency happens, you can press stop button, and the upper platen will automatically release. Pull out lower platen. Place fabric. Place sublimation paper. Start to do heat press. When time counts down to 0, heating platen will go up. Remove the sublimation paper. Process is done.